Hi guys, this is LovelyAma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my deep condition when I remove my braids. Sometimes I do this deep condition, sometimes I don't add the banana, sometimes I just do protein treatment with mayonnaise. I will also add egg to it and put it on my hair. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need avocado, banana, your honey. I'm going to mix with Amla oil, olive oil, and that's all guys. These are the ingredients you're going to need for this deep conditioner.
Oh, baby, money, oh, baby, money, yeah, no, baby, money, oh, that's a woman in me, money, me, uncle, Jivo, no, no, me, baby, pamenisio, baby, pamenisio. Oh, don't marry me, oh. I'm a rapping, oh. Miss Ramanya, Miss, I shall to ye. A power bedroom, Jojo, I am happy, oh. A tobe, bada benia. A dawu, bada benia. So, Eunice, hear me. So, yeah, oh, baby, money, oh, baby, money, oh, baby, money, yeah, no, baby, money, me, oh, that's a woman in me, money, me, uncle, Chivo, and no, no, me, baby, pamenisio, baby, pamenisio. Baby, pamenisio, baby, pamenisio, happy pamenisio. Solo 7.
So after preparing everything and putting it inside the bowl guys, I'm going to blend everything together and I'll be having my deep conditioner. I'll be having it to apply on my hair. So before I will apply it on my hair, since my hair was dirty, I would wash my hair and then I'll apply my deep condition. And so guys, this is the density of my deep condition. This is how it turns out. So guys, I'm done washing my hair. I trimmed my hair and I've washed it. So now I'm going to apply my deep conditioner. This is the process, my avocado deep conditioner. This is the process that I normally do when I take down my braids, my boss braids.
Whoa. Am I rapping no? Miss Raminyam, I shout to you. I'm found bedroom, Jojo. I am happy. A tobe bada benia. A dawu bada benia. So, Eunice, hear me. So, yeah, be by money.
So let's start.
Be by money. Oh, be by money. Yeah, no be by money. Oh, that's a woman in me. Money me and catch it. Oh, and no, not me. Baby, pa menisio, baby, pa menisio.
When applying it, you have to also concentrate very much on your ends because they are the oldest of our hair. Okay guys, I'm done also with the deep conditioner and I'm going to cover my hair and let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for 1.5 hours or maybe 2, then wash it out and do a twist out. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing. Thanks for following me. Don't forget to Follow me on my social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Thank you so much, guys, and as I always say, thanks so much for always supporting me. See you in my next video. Bye.